Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I noticed the little reindeer tea light holders. There's like a off kind of a white gold and a silver. I'm not sure if there were any other colors. I feel like I saw green and red last year, but I might be making things up. There are elves here. Lots of goodies here. Have you used the little garland with the bells? I think they're so cute. What have you used them for? Then they have the ones with the little berries. These are going to sell so fast. I'm even surprised they're still hanging here. Maybe because they have the glitter in them. There's some that don't have any glitter. Those go in, like so fast. Oh, this is new this year. Always good for my paper craft collection. These are also new this year. Lots of nice clear containers this year for actual storage, Christmas storage. You can put, coordinate your Christmas decorations in there and then put it in big bins, or you can even use them for cookies, of course. The little headpieces are sweet, aren't they? Oh, and they have these. I hear that there's some with the bottom piece. Is that correct? These are fun for the kids. I love this. So they have the candy cane spoons. Can someone let us know if they taste good? I've heard a few mixed reviews. Some say it tastes like wax. Are these good? Oh my gosh, I love anything covered in chocolate. Oh, they have the candy canes. Not candy canes, sorry, like the plastic ones. These are great as stocking stuffers. Pretty bags. I want to go take a look at the stickers. Oh, wow. I have never seen these treat bags. That's definitely coming home with me. I will cut it up. See, sometimes you just have to look at different paper as an opportunity to cut things up and turn them into embellishments or ephemera. This is such a great little print. I keep eyeing these tins for pencils and pens, like this one here. Am I going to have regrets if I don't purchase it? I feel like I will. So many new finds here today. I didn't spot these. Like, how cute are these books? Look how beautiful the inside. And it's nice writing, simple, not too busy. I don't like when books for kids are too busy. This is so sweet. I want to go take a look in the toy aisle because I know sometimes some of you need ideas for stocking stuffers, and they have some really nice brand name things here. If your kiddos are into like little, I guess, the Avengers or Marvel, I'm not even sure, to be honest, but oh, look, they have Slinky brand. This is not here all the time. I think I recognize this brand. I don't know what's happening here with the little body, but I used to see them as full figurines at one point. I'm laughing. Maybe inflation has caused the company to cut back on their production. Why would they sell half a pig to a kid? I just don't even understand that. Wouldn't that be traumatizing? You're playing with figurines and it's like, well, here, kid, have half a pig. Oh my gosh. So here's a, oh no, it's not Yahtzee. I thought it was. I wonder if the dye are good quality. Oh my gosh, I still can't get over that pig toy. These I hear are really cute because this is the body. I have to say I'm really impressed with the toy aisle today because look at this, Disney. So if you're needing to put together, wow. If you're needing to put together a gift package, there's so many options here. This is a scratch kit. These are new. I'm back to the front of the store. I usually start here, but it was so busy in the Christmas section that I scooted to the back. And now I think we're clear again. Just wanted to share there's some paper straws here and lots of cards. I think I've showed the cards so many times in the previous walkthroughs. You guys are probably tired of them. I thought these were glass. All the containers here as well. Great for cookies, baking, storage purposes. We'll take a look at some of the ornaments and see if anything new stands out. I don't think so. I think what we've seen them put out is what will... That's probably it for the season, right? Anyone have a favorite ornament this year? These are always cute, and these are not at all the stores. The little skis. Somebody must have been coordinating an arrangement. I got so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, they're selling the plastic box and the filler, but it's not just the filler. Honestly, I'm finding so many new things at this Dollar Tree today. These are new to me. So this one is black with some sparkles. A happy birthday sign, but it's holographic gold. I'm not really feeling it. If it was just gold or silver. Oh, they have these as well. Banners. Okay, I think I'm going to grab this because I can make that work. And they also have pink. I don't know if I should grab another pack. I'm contemplating. I don't know. Sometimes it's... You rip things when you stick them on walls or hang them. And aren't these pretty too? Dollar Tree also has a nice selection of gift boxes. Not all the stores do. They have a lot of wood crafty items. I know that some of you are really enjoying it for DIYs. The little whiteboard is cute too. You can write a personalized message for Christmas or a countdown. Even the little chalkboard. They have chalk markers as well in the craft section. If you have someone in your life who likes cars, Armor All is a great brand. And you can put together a really nice gift basket. By the way, people are using these on the wreath form, so you don't have to wrap it with fabric. I was doing it with cloths or old tea towels and stuff like that. See, you're going to pay a lot more for Armor All at an auto shop for sure. So this is a great budget-friendly gift. I think these books are new this year. Merry Mermaids. They have a few of them up top, and then they have a Santa theme one. See, they have stickers too. How cute. And the pages are nice. It's an activity book. Not too bad at all. I love this. So Charlie Brown. They have Santa and Rudolph. And I think the trolls. By the way, if you purchase these, you can make pillows with them. So easy to make because they're dual layered already. Just fill it with some stuffing and you've got some new Christmas pillows. And they're reversible, some of them, which is super cute. I love this one, even for paper crafts or fabric. And they have all the plates, dishware. Pretty. Looks like something was bought up here. I'm not sure if it was all the plaid plain plates. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I wanted to share with you some of the ornaments that I've purchased at Dollar Tree over the years that you can spot on the Christmas tree. It's kind of hard, but anyways, I hope this video inspires you to go out and find something fun. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls.